Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA G60. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and right here you've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level of the display, enable or disable adaptive brightness, adjust white balance between cold and warm, manage lock screen preferences for privacy, enable or disable add a glance, add text on lock screen, enable or disable show wallet, show device controls, always show info and time, and wake screen for notifications. Also you can enable or disable double tap to check phone and lift to check phone. Next, you can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes and enable or disable screen attention. Then you can enable or disable dark theme and schedule it. Next, you can change font size, display size, enable or disable night light, change its intensity, and also schedule it. Then you can change screen refresh rate between adaptive and standard, enable or disable auto rotate screen, and set screensaver. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.